mystery. So go ahead, write me off. That's fine by me. I'm gonna move to the beat of my own drum. Don't care who's watching, it ain't you. Calling the shots, saying when I'm done. Call me a fool for thinking I could really be someone. I'm gonna move to the beat of my own drum. Sharks up in the hills, couldn't care less if I sink or swim. So why would I be trying to get in the game if they won't even let me in? That don't make no sense to me.